Hello Gulf News readers, we are live with Salim Mohammed bin Ali. He's going to tell us for UAE, for people in the UAE who want to stay back in the UAE and are amnesty seekers, this is what you have to do. Can you explain the procedure to us, Major Salim?
Yes. First of all, welcome to you and your followers in the first day of amnesty in Al Awir. Most probably the most important thing I want to mention it to our client, that what's happening in Al Awir people who are arriving to Al Awir, they have to arrive only if they want to travel the country. They want to finish their documents, finish all the procedures and to travel or leave the country. But the people who wants to change their status and to have the job offer visa or the new visa for 6 months, they have to visit Amr centers and Tasheel. Tasheel and Amr centers are all distributed all over Dubai. To get those locations, easily they have to call our call center. It's 800-5111, 800 toll free, 800-5111. They will just guide them. But the most important thing I want to mention it for those people, before going to Amr Center, you have to apply for the new visa. So for example, I'm in Dubai for a visit visa. I'm not talking about the fines. The fines will be, zero. They'll not pay anything. But I have to apply for the new visa. So what I mean apply for the job offer that I have it, and the visa or the permit that I will issue. When I'm getting those permits, I'll go to Amr Center and do the change status. So step one, if I'm working in a private sector, I have to go to Ministry of Labor, or we can say Tasheel, to apply to get the visa. Or if they are individuals, like sponsored by the family visas, they have to apply for the visa, get the visa and do the change status. No worries, we have time. Today is the first day. We have 3 months back coming on. As people can see and you people can see, it's not that much rush in Al Awir. Still, I'm telling the people who doesn't know exactly what's happening or what they have to do, easily they can call the call center at 800-5111. Get all your documents ready. After that, just go to Amr Center.
Okay. My next question is, what about transfer visa? Like, what if there is a visa transfer? What is the procedure?
The same way, exactly the same. So I'm talking about having the new visa or having the new job. Easily, get the visa and do the change status.
If someone is has been absconding,
okay,
what happens then?
In this case, they have to just visit one of our happiness center. It's not Amr, it's GDRFA centers. Also, we have them, like the main GDRFA centers. We have Al Jafiliya, we have Al Tawar, we have Al Manara, and we have Bin Sogat, Al Arabian Center. Those centers and other centers, wherever they want to just visit in Dubai, just they have to go there and just remove the absconding, get the new offer, get the visa and do the change status. If they want to they want to travel, they can come to Al Awir directly and do all this procedure here.
Okay. My next question is, if people have a family and they want to change a visa, a reader is asking, if someone has a family and they want to change his visa.
Okay, no problem. He can hold the family visa as normal. If they are, like for example, they are overstayed in the country, no problem. He can just do the change status, do his visa first, and then apply for them. No worries. The family visas are the same procedure as the normal visas, employment visas. So if he's good, he's fine. But his family are overstayed, just he can go directly and renew the visa for free. Just he will pay the visa fine, the residence fine.
This is for people all over the UAE, but
in Dubai.
Tasheel are only for
yes,
Dubai.
it's Tasheel Amr Dubai visas. The same will be applied in other Emirates, but they have to visit the exact Emirates.
We have another question. How about if a person's passport is in the employer's hand and the contract has already ended, then what does the person do? How can we cancel
it? Okay, the question is, if the sponsor don't want to give back the passport. We have two ways. One is just to go to the court directly and ask for, the court will call the sponsor and will handle the passport. Otherwise, if the sponsor is not responding or he's not there anymore, just only they have to go to the court and get the document. After getting the document, they just issue a new passport from their embassy. If they want to travel, we need an out pass. If they want to stay, they will issue a new passport from the embassy. Even the embassy, representatives are here on the 10th, and also they can just visit their embassies directly.
If someone was forcefully sent back to their country, can they also apply for amnesty?
No. If it is this amnesty is only inside country people. They cannot apply. People who are outside, they cannot.
Okay, once again, for those who are asking what is the procedure, can you explain from step 1 to like
Okay. What's happening in Al-Awir? It's for people who are traveling, easiest way. If you are traveling, you can come to Al-Awir. But if you need to change the status, if you want to stay in UAE, just only you will start, number 1, just to apply for the visa, the new visa. Just forget the old one. Apply for the new visa. If they told you that there is an absconding, just visit one of our happiness center. It's not Amar Center, one of them, and just apply for removing the absconding. After that, apply for the new visa and visit Amar Center. So step 1, the new job, the new visa will be applied. When you get the visa, just only you will go to Amar Center to do the change status.
What about people without passports? What do they do? Like
what do you mean without passport lost? If it's lost, stolen, step 1 they have to go to the police station just to apply for a certificate, lost certificate, and go to their embassies, issue the passport. If the passport is illegal people, we can say they came to the country, just only in this case they have to go to they have to come to Al-Awir. Yeah.
And what if the passport is expired?
Expired, they have to renew it. The amnesty is for people who are, they have an overstay, but the documents must be there. If the passport is expired and they want to travel, it's fine. We'll give them an out pass and they can leave. But to leave to their country.
Okay, many people are asking us about the fines. What will happen to the fines that are...
Zero. There is no fine. So just only they are paying the application fees.
But this is only for people who have stayed till July 31st, right?
Before July.
Yeah.
Okay. So whatever is the fine, apply for the new visa, and just only the fines will be zero.
If there's a police case on somebody, what do they do?
Police case, they have to clear the police case and come back.
And what if the passport is with police?
It means there is a case. So clear your case. Most probably, just to mention one thing for all the followers. Dubai Police, Dubai Courts, Ministry of Labor, even Emirates ID, they are all aware about the amnesty and they have the same order. So if there is a fine on Emirates ID, it will be clear. If there is a fine in labor, it will be clear. But they have to visit the proper way. So if I know that I have a case, I have to clear it from Dubai Police or from the court. If I have a fine on labor, I have to go to Tasheel and clear it. What I mean and clear it, just only do the cancellation, remove the absconding, and directly come to do the change of status or change your status.
Okay. Now there is a 6-month visa where people can stay on and look for another job. Can you explain that to us?
Those kind of visa, it will be applied on Tasheel, okay, and also Amar. We have some Amar centers, they have Tasheel services. So the most important thing, this kind of visa, it is just to mention that it's a 6-month visa, and when they'll come to Tasheel or Amar, they have to clear the previous issue that they have. So first clear the previous issue, like the fines and everything, apply for this visa, and they can apply it in Tasheel and Amar also. They don't have to come here.
Can you tell us how much it costs?
That one is for free.
I think all our questions have been answered so far. Thank you.
No problem. Just again, I need to make sure that we are available from 8 to 8. Amr centers are available from 8 to 8. A lot of people, exactly, they are going to Amr center, I'm overstayed and I need to change my status. This is what we mentioned in past 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So the thing is, please, everyone, apply for the visa normally, the same procedure. Forget what overstay you have. This amnesty is totally different than the other amnesties. It is kind of, we need people to stay in UAE or to travel with easiest way.
Okay, there's one more question to add. If someone is traveling to renew their passport back to their country, how do they come back? Is UAE amnesty related?
No, if they travel, it means they clear whatever they have. But if